2 o'clock this afternoon. It's almost midnight now. Got nailed in the head.
FYI, we are seeing a vortex signature between the county line and Milford. Doug would like the folks in one lane to keep an eye to the west, please. K0 EOC.
Uh-oh, a vortex. You know what that means? A tornado signature. Or a good chance of one. Now watch, as soon as I shut off the stop recording and everything, I'll see a big lightning bolt. No, I guess not. Guess that little trick doesn't work. There was one there. Hope I got it or no. Okay, more lightning footage. This here we're looking just above the house. Just above the house. Oh yeah, just above the top of the house. The point of the house.
Well, we have moved to get a better view to the north, northeast, and west. We're on southwest 7-2, just north of 10th Road. The leading edge of the cell that's to the north has got some stair steps to it, very ragged above it, and it does not look very thick. And I think we've got a better view of this mess that's coming in from Sirens County. Thank you, Scott. K0GND. Nebraska, part of Sirens County until 12 o'clock, looks like. K0GND, go ahead, Audrey.
The rain's picking up to light to moderate, and we're pretty much under constant lightning. It almost looks daylight over here. There's so much lightning. K2RSU.
Understood. K0GND, be careful.
What's your point number?
EOC. EOC, go ahead. Doug asked me to relay that we were in a severe thunderstorm warning, including the city of Lincoln until 2 midnight. Sorry, K0 EOC. Yeah, I just mentioned that. K0G.
And Lincoln, Nebraska is under a tornado warning now. You can hear the sirens. I was going to say, here and record.
Reynolds, that lowering that I saw from this thing that looks like a shelf cloud, I'm confident now is Scud.
Well, actually, it was Lancaster counties are under a tornado warning. So it shouldn't be for Lincoln, the city, because it's too far northwest. No, okay. And the wind is kicking up. I'm gonna see. Yeah.
Probably coming into the city.
Yep, right now.
North. 5-1, 7 RB. 2346 KA, go ahead.
Watching the treetops.
I had nothing. I just going outside.
I'm gonna have to get up on the porch here in just a second. At least.
Go ahead, Mark.
It's still rainy, but it's light now, so I have a little more visibility, but I can't see the definition, and I think the wind is calm again, and
it's dying down a little bit. And it's kicking back up a little bit. Oh, it's for northern Lancaster County for the tornado warning. When they sounded the sirens in the city, when they shouldn't have. And they're sounding the sirens again. Why are you sounding the sirens? This isn't Northeast Lancaster County. Somebody's trigger happy on the buttons over at the EOC tonight. Can't understand these people. Okay, yeah, you get a little windy now. Now it's coming out of the southwest. Okay, it's the third time they've blown the sirens. And it's just beginning to hail just a little bit.